Cowork on 3P exists because some organizations like bank, hospitals, government agencies, or large international companies have strict rules where their data can go. They simply are not allowed to send employees' conversation or sensitive files to Anthropic servers. So instead of building a completely separate product, Anthropic created a deployment mode where Cowork runs the same way it normally does. But the AI inference gets routed through the company's own cloud setup, like their AWS or GCP Google Cloud account, rather than Anthropic's. Conversation history also stays on the user's local machine instead of Anthropic's backend. The 3P stands for third party, meaning the AI is powered by a third party cloud provider. In short, same Cowork product, but your data never leaves your own cloud environment. But there are some caveats. Chat and skill marketplace are not available because they required Anthropic hosted inference. Key reasons other than data privacy and residency are enterprise billing, centralized security control, and custom LLM routing. Enterprise billing allows company to utilize Claude Cowork capability and plugins based on existing cloud provider token like AWS or GCP or Azure. And using centralized security control, IT administrator can manage and secure access, control budgets, and monitor workflows centrally through their own cloud provider. And custom LLM routing provides the flexibility to route Cowork usage through internal proxies like Ollama or LM Studio. Claude Cowork can be configured with local models using Ollama and LM Studio, and if you don't want to run it locally, you can still configure it to run with Ollama Cloud, which is much faster. To get started, download the Claude desktop application for Windows and install it. For Mac OS, you can download it from here. Once installed, open the application and click this little hamburger menu. Click Help, then Troubleshooting, then Enable Developer Mode, then Enable. Now in the hamburger menu, you will see another option called Developer. Inside Developer, click Configure Third-Party Inference. This is where you need to set the redirection URL for Ollama or LM Studio or other gateway like AWS Bedrock, Azure AI or Google Vertex AI. Set it to gateway. Credentials kind will be static API key. Gateway base URL will be that of the Ollama API URL or the LM Studio URL. And the gateway API key can be anything. Unless you have set a password for the Ollama APIs, you can set this as test. For Ollama, download the Ollama installation. Open the Ollama app and change the context window. In settings, it will be set to default of 4K. Set it to 16K or 32K, which is the sweet spot. Next, we need to download a model. We will go with Gemma 4. Copy Gemma 4 E4B and in the bash command line, type Ollama pull Gemma 4 E4B to download it locally. Or use any open model available that fits your computer's specification. E4B needs 9 GB of RAM and has a context size of 128K. Gemma 4 31B is much better at coding and reasoning, but it needs 20 GB of RAM and has a context window of 256K. Or you can go with GPT OSS 20B, which needs 14 GB of VRAM and has a context window of 128K. type Ollama list to see the list of models downloaded locally. Then run Gemma 4 E4B. The Ollama API base URL is localhost 11434. In the browser, it will respond Ollama is running. In the Claude application, the key can be anything. If you have configured Ollama auth, then set the API key. For gateway auth schema, select bearer. Click test model discovery. 0 models discovered. This is because the Claude app is looking for models that start with Opus, Sonnet or Haiku. For that to work, open the terminal again. Stop the existing running model with Ollama stop Gemma 4 E4B and create an alias with the name Claude Opus 4.8. Ollama cp Gemma 4 E4B Claude Opus 4.8. The list will now show 2 models. Now test model discovery. We have Opus, which is actually Gemma 4 E4B. Relaunch the app. And here we see Opus. Or if you don't want to run it locally, you can use Ollama Cloud. Ollama Cloud gives you a decent amount of free usage on some of the top models like GPT OSS or Gemma 4 31B Cloud. First run Ollama, run Gemma 4 31B Cloud. This will add the cloud model to the Ollama list. Copy the cloud model to an alias. Ollama cp Gemma 4 31B cloud Claude Sonnet 4.6. Discover, and now we have 2 models to use. The cloud models runs faster. We can even switch mid-task. Type hi. And we got a response in 10 seconds. Hello, how can I help you today? We can also use LM Studio. Download and install LM Studio from lmstudio.ai. Open the application. In LM Studio, download a model like Gemma 4 or Queen 3.59B or whichever one suits your hardware. Red means it's not a fit for your hardware. Green means it's compatible. Gemma 4 E4B is partially compatible. From the drop down, you can select a quantized version of the model. Click download. In settings, turn on the server. This gives you a API URL. Copy it. Then go to developer, then third-party configuration and paste it into the base URL. Keep everything the same as before. Static API, API key, has test and auth bearer. Once the model is downloaded, load the model. But like before, this time it won't show the models. You need to set an identifier. LMS ls will show all your downloaded models. LMS ps will show your active loaded models. To unload, LMS unload Queen 3.5-9B. The default context window will be 4096, which is like 4K. We need to increase the context window to either 16K or 32K and add an identifier. LMS load Queen 3.59 billion parameter and context length 32768, which is like 32K, and identifier hyphen identifier in double quote Claude Haiku 4.5. It's getting loaded. Here you can see the model identifier, but it's actually the Queen 3.5 9B model. It's almost done loading. Now test model discovery. This time we have Haiku. Save and restart. Now let's organize the test folder and put the doc, Excel and PDF file into their respective folders. Organize the files in Downloads test folder by extension. Create folders named PDF, Excel and Doc and move the corresponding .pdf, .xlsx and .docx file into them. Do this in one sequence of action. Allow access to the folder. And within a minute, it created 3 folders and moved all Doc, PDF and Excel to respective folder. Expand the tools and commands used, and we can see that it has used mkdir command and mv move command 3 times. You can build skills and automate many other workflows like scanning images, updating Excel reports, connecting to Gmail, calendar and more. That's all for this video. If you have any query, drop a comment. Thank you. See you again.